This is the part for the apexi boost controller. Figure a safe place to mount it is right up there. And we'll connect the vacuum line one to the fuel pressure line as we hook it up. Before you start anything, make sure you disconnect the negative on your battery. Before you proceed, it's a 10 mil. Just pull that off. You can leave the positive on. It's just my charger. So what I've done is you got to put this little filter in there, keep moisture out. I've plumbed it into my, I don't know how, if anybody has an idea on how you're supposed to get that screw out, I'd like to change this. And I have no clue how to get it out. I've tried. Anyways, got some blue lines, vacuum lines. This is the boost actuator, or whatever you call it, control valve for the wastegate. And the wiring harness goes over and through. I'm going to wire that up, get it running. Okay, so what I've done in here is I've done a bit of wiring here. Use these diagrams and figured out my pins to get the car to start up. It's kind of a neat little gadget. Try everything there. For now, this is how it came when I hooked it up. It seems to be running pretty good. These are the 4 things that you can monitor, and you can hit the next button. It does a graph. Like here's a little rev. It's a boost gauge and your RPMs. Kind of like seeing the numbers. Alright, I got a screwy tack. It'll start bouncing. Oh, now we're back up. Did drop down to 0. There it goes. If you guys have any idea what's causing that, that would be great. Put it in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos, and there should be more to come.